Welcome to the third best beach in Canada, according to Reader's Digest, and welcome to one of the most sizzling hot neighborhoods for Ontario real estate in the summer of 2021, the desirable Grand Bend Village sector. Just steps to everything you need, including our world-class forever sandy beach. I am ecstatic to be presenting one of the best value buys in the current Grand Bend market, tucked away in a small private subdivision called Wondergrove, where comparable homes are pricing through the roof, literally just 200 feet away. I can get you into this 2.5-year-old 5-bed, 4-bath home for a fraction of that price. Let's take a walk through this very young home, which boasts loads of parking, as I'm sure you saw on the way in. It's being sold as a fully furnished turnkey package with a fully equipped kitchen. All the appliances, pretty much everything you need to just walk through the door and not have to do a thing. Just drop your bag and go to the beach. The open main floor with kitchen, living area, and bathroom boasts a granite kitchen, walking out to the sundeck. The upper level features 4 large bedrooms, 2 of which have walk-in closets, including the large master suite with ensuite bath. Plus, there is another roomy 4-piece bath. Now in the bright lower level, you'll see a generous family room, another bedroom, that's 5 total roomy bedrooms, and yet another full bathroom, that's 4 total bathrooms. Yes, folks, that's right. A 2.5-year-old, 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house at a price you will not believe in downtown Grand Bend. Telling you folks, nothing can beat this deal, especially considering the turnkey package comes with a boatload of rental income. I didn't mention that yet, should you choose to keep the seasonal renters already booked. If you're looking to get into downtown Grand Bend, this package deal blows everything else out of the water. Maybe my sellers are feeling generous in these crazy times, or maybe they just want it sold at lightning speed. Whatever the reason may be, we can have a discussion about that when we're preparing an offer. But one thing I know for sure is that this deal is a steal. A fully furnished turnkey package, as tight as a pin and ready to move in for the summer. Call me today for a full listing package and pricing information. I'm Mike Sloan, and I'll see you at the beach.